located in the best street in Wyee Point, number 4 Wharf Street, Wyee Point. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, multiple living zones. We've got dual street access behind us, beautiful Lake Macquarie just a stroll away, and a nature reserve just up the road with a playground for the kids. This is a home that will grow with your family and your future plans.